Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Docker image and post the Docker image to Docker Hub. So let's start the video. Before being the next step, you must have the install the Docker uh, in your local system and must have a Docker Hub account. If you don't have a Docker Hub account, just go to this site, and after that you can see this interface. If you don't have any Docker account, then create account, and after that you need to create a repository like the GitHub that we use for the project. So I have already this account, so I'm gonna log in. After create the Docker Hub account, you must log in, and after that you can create a repository. So I'm gonna create a repository again. So create the repository. Take the name of your repository if you want anything you like. So I'm gonna paste demo 2 or 3, and in the description you can put the description anything, so that remember that why you use this repository description in your Docker image. So visibility you can keep it public or private, so I'm going to set it default public. So create the repository. Okay, my repository is created. So after that you must go to your project that you want to dockerize. So create a file in the root directory. So docker file. So within this one, so in this Docker form we need to some code, some command like from node, which node or package do we want to use for dockerize. So I'm going to use 20 or something like that, or you can use anything. So I'm going to say it is simple. Working directory is like slash app. Okay, after that I'm going to copy all JSON file, copy package.json and everything. After that I run npm install. I install all dependency and copy all things, copy copy all things in the Docker image. So after that, and uh, I want to the Docker image run in the port expose okay, expose 3000. So and the cdm is like a command. Which command we want to use? So I'm going to use the npm then start. Okay, this is my Docker file, so that's it for. So I'm gonna start it this that docker sorry docker build -t and your Docker name, whatever you want to set your Docker image. So I'm gonna say it's demo 3 or demo 3, and everything from and the Docker file. Find the Docker file, or is your Docker file. So I'm gonna put it the root directory. So hit enter. If it show some error like you don't have the Docker file or Docker in your local system, maybe. But if you have the Docker running on your background, it can use easily. So it takes some time. So I'm gonna skip for it on. Okay, my Docker image is built. I already said that you must have the Docker application running your local machine. Otherwise, you can get some error. So my Docker image is built. So now I'm showing how to upload this Docker image to Docker Hub. So before that, I'll show you how ensure that my Docker image is built or not. So I'm gonna push it. That is my Docker image that is built before a minute. So I'm gonna push this Docker image to Docker Hub. So let's start. How can I push this image? So Docker, following this command. So Docker push your Docker. After that, your Docker username. So where you can find your username, you can see from here or you can see our website. So I'm gonna put it slash your image name. What is your image name? In this case, my image name is demo 3, and must have your tag name. The tag name you can see the latest, so I'm gonna put it latest. After that, I hit the enter. Okay, the push is already okay. Tag done. Okay, I understand that why you show the error. You must have the Docker login. You must have the login your Docker. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to. Okay, in this case, you can enter this link and open this link. After that, you can see a code that is show from here. So I'm going to post copy this code and put it here and continue. So okay, accept. Okay, set is my Docker access is has been successful. So yes, after login, after access the login, you don't have to check that your Docker is login or not. So I'm gonna push it again. So it's checking the credential as login successfully, and Docker image, which image I want to be uh, this one. If you have the problem after the push like this, the push Docker image app latest is not a tag, does not have enter. So you need to this command like docker image, sorry, docker tag, and your image name, Docker image name, then clone, and that's the tag name latest, and your Docker hub username, and demo 3, that is your image name, from latest. So put this latest, so I hit enter. Okay, it's okay. So I'm gonna push the Docker image, push Docker image. So Docker image username. So must have the Docker push and then Docker hub username, and which image you want to push. So I'm gonna push this image. So I'm gonna put this demo 3, and the tag name is latest. So I'm gonna push this. Okay, it's waiting. So I'm gonna skip for this. Okay, you can see my Docker image is pushed to the Docker Hub. To verify the image, you go to Docker Hub and refresh this. Okay, and you can see my Docker Hub, Docker image is pushed to the Docker Hub. So that's all about in this video. Okay, thank you for the watching.